What's up, weirdos? We got some great news for you today on a day where everything's red and bleeding and dreary and dreary and everything else that sounds negative. We got good news for Zebec, guys. Let's get into it. Let's have a look at the damage. What's going on out there? Jasmy down 14.8% on the day, 17.9 on the week, 33.5 on the month, but up 16% on the year. We're down one spot and ranked at $870 million market cap and 61 million in volume. Swift coin down 12.2% on the day, 20.5 on the week, up 16.5 on the month, and up 430 on the year, down one spot and ranked to 263, a $153 million market cap and 14 million in volume. Onyx coin down 17% on the day, 21.5 on the week, 49 on the month, but up 819 on the year. We're down 4 spots in rank to 113 with a $546 million market cap, 89 million in volume. Sorry, 90 million in volume now. And Zebec, where is Zebec? Down 18% on the day, up 0.1% on the week, up 75.5% on the month, down 17 spots on rank to 330, $111 million market cap and 29 million in volume. Not too bad, guys. So let's go have a look at what's going on. Are we recovering? I'm going to show you why this is happening, guys. Why it happened, why it went further than we thought it would, okay? There was another catalyst that dumped us even harder today, and I'm going to show you. All right, so what do we have here? Bitcoin dropped right down and touched right down to our golden pocket here that I told you we could. I've been telling you guys we could come down here for probably a month now, right? And I'm surprised it took what it took. A combination of Bybit crashing or Bybit getting hacked and the other catalyst that I'm going to tell you about. In a few moments to drive it down this far. But here we are. We're just at the top of the range, which isn't too bad. We seem to be trying to recover now. We're at 91,700 essentially. Let's see how the rest of the market responded. Let's have a look. I accidentally moved something on my chart. That's why I made that sound. Jasmy did the exact same thing as Bitcoin, guys. We dropped down below our trend line. Not fantastic, but we're starting to try to recover the same way Bitcoin is trying to recover right now. A lot of people are scooping up the dips right now, guys. A lot of people are selling the fear. Which one are you? Are you transferring your future wealth to people who are buying the dip right now? Or are you buying other people's fear, transferring their future wealth to your bank account? Let me know what you're doing, guys. Over to XCN. Yeah, I mean, not as bad on XCN. XCN actually didn't actually take that big of a hit. I know it kind of looks like it. This is, but look, we're recovering here, and we ended up catching support right at 1 cent 61. So, and now we're trying to recover back up. We're still inside of our bullish structure on XCN. So that's very, very good. It held pretty strong. Going over to Swift coin. Swift didn't take that bad of a hit either. It was kind of already close to bottomed out. I told you guys Swift was going to come down between 1 cent 4 and 1 cent 5, potentially sweeping the lows. And here we are at 1 cent 5. You see, guys, it's like you should be listening to me or something. It's almost like I know what I'm talking about sometimes. So definitely holding here. Let's hope we hold here. Yeah, looks not bad. Looks like I think the bleeding has stopped for the most part, I think. Zebec took a pretty big hit today. Look at that candle. Look at this. Boom. Dropped out of our bull pennant here, guys, all the way down to test the top, this support level that used to be resistance. We've now tested this level 3 times, and it has held strong, so that's good. We didn't wick up as strong this time as we did the last couple times, so that's a little bit like, but I digress. We're working our way back up again. 2015. Zebec is a phenomenal DCA opportunity, guys. Phenomenal DCA opportunity. I shouldn't even have to tell you that, right? everything. The whole market is a good DC opportunity right now. Not much is like questionable in terms of being a buying opportunity right now. So, okay, so we got this quick clip I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to play it again later on the live stream, but this is kind of what happened to further exacerbate the situation.
We're on time with the tariffs, and it seems like that's moving along very rapidly. We've been mistreated very badly by many countries, not just Canada and Mexico. We've been taken advantage of. We were led by, in some cases, fools, because anybody that would sign documents like they signed, where they were able to take advantage of the American people, like has happened over the last long period of time, except for a little 4-year period that took place 4 years ago. But anybody that would agree to allow this to happen to our country should be ashamed of themselves. No, the tariffs are going forward on time, on schedule. This is an abuse that took place for many, many years. And I'm not even blaming the other countries that did this. I blame our leadership for allowing it to happen. I mean, you know, who can blame them if they made these great deals with the United States, took advantage of the United States on manufacturing, on just about everything, every aspect that you could imagine they took advantage of. I look at some of these agreements, I'd read them at night, and I'd say, who would ever sign a thing like this? So the tariffs will go forward, yes, and we're going to make up a lot of territory. All we want is reciprocal. We want reciprocity. We want to have the same. So if somebody charges us, we charge them. It's very simple, but it'll be very good for our country. Our country will be extremely liquid and rich again. Plus, we're doing other things, as you know. We're finding tremendous waste, fraud, and abuse at levels that nobody thought possible. You're seeing what's...
Yeah, but you're also crashing the markets constantly, dude. You want to knock it off, right? At this point, knock it off, right? You're hurting people at the same time. All right, so game changers here, guys, for Zebec. First, though, we're going to check in Onyx Goliath coming, I think, 6 more days. They say, wow, start your week off strong with 35% APR on the staking on the protocol, guys. Earn and grow. Pretty much everyone over on our Patreon is staking right now, guys. And we have been for over a year because we've been in this project since far before anyone was ever talking about it. Over a year ago, we were in this project making massive APR. That's why, guys, you want to be on the Patreon. If you're not over there and you're sitting there going, I'd rather save my $15, man, are you missing out? We just did 112% swing trade the other night where you would have made 1,000 times that $15 that you decided to save, right? So buy a guy a Happy Meal, guys. That's all it is. The price of a Happy Meal. Get over to the Patreon and get in on these plays beforehand. Why would you say, I don't want to spend $15. I want to save that $15 and miss out on thousands of percentages in returns instead, right? That's what you're doing. I'm just putting it out there, right? Don't believe me? Ask the Patreon members. There's over 1,800 of them, right? Ask them. They're making money right now while the market's red. We're making money. What else do we have going on? So Goliath is coming, guys. A couple days. Do not expect a massive pump, however. Jetpack, community contributor, friend of the channel, my guy, says, this is huge for all Zebec holders, guys. Check it out. Anchorage Digital, introducing Anchorage Digital Bank, the first federally chartered digital bank. Anchor Digital, about Anchor Digital. Anchor Digital is the global crypto platform that enables institutions to participate in digital assets through custody, staking, trading, governance, settlement, and the industry-leading security infrastructure. Home of Anchorage Digital Bank, the only federally chartered crypto bank in the U.S., Anchorage Digital also serves institutions through Anchorage Digital Singapore, which is licensed by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Anchorage Digital, New York, which holds a BIT license from the New York Department of Financial Services, and self-custody wallets, Porto by Anchorage Digital. The company is funded by leading institutions including Andreessen Horowitz, GIC, Goldman Sachs, KKR, and Visa, with its series of devaluation over $3 billion, founded in 2017 in San Francisco, California, Anchorage Digital Office, New York, portfolio. Very, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. That's their LinkedIn. And Anchorage Digital, assets supported, Zebec network. Anchorage Digital supports assets that meet our standards of quality and safety. Asset support varies by legal entities, jurisdictions, and services. Zebec network. There you have it, my friends. You cannot miss this opportunity for Zebec. What else do we have? Oh, that's right. It continues, courtesy of Danny, partners for Zebec, Zebec.io, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Visa, MasterCard. It just doesn't stop the bullishness, guys. Seamlessly spend and use Ondo Finance USDY across the entire Zebec ecosystem, including the Zebec Silver Card and Payroll Suite. Whether for everyday card transactions or payroll, USDY is fully integrated and ready to be spent. That's right, guys. That's right, Ondo and Zebec. Our partnership with Stellar, yep, XLM Stellar as well, is crucial as we develop and integrate cross-border remittances into our modern payroll and payments tech stack. By leveraging Stellar's and Circle's network, yep, USDC as well, we are building integrated rails to make receiving, pay, saving, and sending stablecoins across borders more accessible to millions. Guys, I don't know how anyone can feel bearish on a day like today reading this kind of stuff, right? It just doesn't stop. Yeah, and I'm not done. I'm not done. I told you I got the shakes that'll make you quake, baby. Zebec Network tweets out USDC gaining regulatory clarity worldwide is a huge step for on-chain payment adoption. At Zebec, we're enabling payroll and RWAs through our cards. Now with even greater confidence. This is why banks don't like crypto, guys. Do you understand? They're taking over. Banks are becoming the VHS tape. They're becoming analog, right? That's why we have been met. This is why we have been met with so much resistance from entities like the SEC. So yeah. And just to polish things off, guys, with a little Swift update, because we never talk about, there's never any updates for Swift. So let's look at Swift. Bridgers is fully decentralized cross-chain protocol that enables seamless asset transfers across 32 blockchains and 400 plus tokens. Fast, secure, decentralized. Guys, I cannot wait to be able to utilize Bridgers, Swift's swap. I already utilize their platforms for news updates and stuff like that. Their AI agent is fantastic. I absolutely love this project, guys. I am so bullish. Could not be more bullish on Bridgers and Swift Coin. So let me know what you guys think. Is Trump screwing us over here a little bit? Are you frustrated? Are you upset? Are you okay with it? Let me know how you feel, guys. And like I said, we dropped a gem the day before yesterday over on the Patreon, guys. And listen, this one's going to fly. Small market cap, great utility, phenomenal tokenomics. This, in my opinion, is an easy 10x project on the low end, right? You do not want to miss out on this stuff, guys. Get over to the Patreon. It's, if I told you could have an opportunity to find out what these projects are and get into them early before everybody else, right? You could join a community of over 1,800 people, almost 1,900 now, right? The chats, we also provide a free Discord for Patreon members as well. If you prefer to chat on the Discord, everybody's on both of them. We also book one-on-one coaching AMA sessions with me personally, and that is also another free service that I provide over on the Patreon as well for paying members. So get over there, guys. I'm offering you all of this, and all I want from you is for you to buy me a Happy Meal. So would you buy a brother a Happy Meal already? Check it out. And if you don't like it, guys, it's easy to leave, right? It's easy to say, you know what? I'm not feeling this. I'm out of here. It's not really for me. That's fine. There's nothing stopping you from doing that. So why would you risk not at least checking it out for a month for the price of a Happy Meal. You got nothing to lose and everything to gain. I promise you two things, guys, okay? One, you will learn something over there that's going to make you a better trader and investor. And two, once you become a part of our community, you get to know everybody over there and you see all of the value that this entire community and group has to offer you in terms of being able to make money in this space. You're not going to want to leave. So check it out, guys. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. See you guys later.